Hello guys, welcome to Leaf Geeks. This is Sushma. Facebook-owned photos and video sharing app Instagram has one of the largest user base globally. And this Instagram app over cell phone provides good features like photo sharing, video sharing and uploading status, seeing your friend's status, etc, etc, etc. But when it comes to PC, it has only few features, very few options. And sometimes one may want to upload photos through a PC or a MacBook, and this is definitely a task. You have to install the app on your smartphone and then upload a picture, etc, etc, etc. But for someone who wants to do it through the PC, here's how you can do it. Open Google Chrome on your PC or MacBook and visit www.instagram.com and log in using your credentials. Click on the three vertical dots on the top right corner and go to More Tools and select Developer Tools. On the Developer Tools page, click on Mobile icon located at the left of the Elements option and now reload the web page. Click on the plus sign at the bottom center of the page and navigate to the location and select the image which you wanted to upload. And now click Next. If you want to write a caption or add a location and tag people, you can do it over there. And then click on the share button. Voila! Here's your image on Instagram through your PC or MacBook. So that's it guys, hope you all liked it and hope it was helpful to you all, and do let me know your comments or any suggestions. You do let me know if I missed out on something in the comment section below, and subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up. I'll be back to you all with another update pretty soon. Till then, take care, bye.